Garlic, Allium sativum, has been used for thousands of years, both as food and medicine. Modern research supports many of its traditional health benefits, largely due to sulfur-containing compounds like allicin, aline, ajone, and diallyl polysulfides. Here are the most evidence-based health benefits of garlic. 1. Strong antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Allicin, formed when garlic is crushed, chopped, has broad-spectrum antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal effects. Effective against common pathogens, e.g., Salmonella, E. coli, Staphylococcus, and even some antibiotic-resistant strains, MRSA, may reduce severity and duration of colds. Adenocarters. Randomized trials showed people taking aged garlic extract had 61% fewer colds and recovered 60% faster. 2. Cardiovascular benefits. Lowers blood pressure. Meta-analysis show 600-900 milliliters a day of aged garlic extract can reduce systolic BP by 8 to 12 mg in hypertensives, comparable to some medications. Reduces total and LDL cholesterol by 7 to 10% when consumed regularly, especially aged garlic extract. Decreases arterial stiffness and improves endothelial function. Mild blood thinning effect. Inhibits platelet aggregation, which may reduce risk of heart attack and stroke. 3. Immune system support. Boosts function of natural killer cells and macrophages. Aged garlic extract increases gamma-delta T cells and enhances immune response. May reduce severity of flu-cold symptoms. See point 1. 4. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. High in organosulfur compounds and antioxidants, S-allyl, cysteine, etc. Reduces oxidative stress and markers of inflammation, CRP, TNFA. May protect against cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Animal studies plus some human evidence. 5. Cancer preventive properties. Population studies, especially in China and Italy, show higher raw garlic intake linked to lower risk of stomach and colorectal cancer. Organosulfur compounds induce apoptosis, cancer cell death. And inhibit carcinogen-activating enzymes in lab studies. Most promising for gastrointestinal cancers, weaker evidence for others. 6. Heavy metal detoxification. Garlic sulfur compounds can bind to heavy metals, lead, cadmium, mercury, and help excrete them. In one study, workers exposed to lead who took garlic reduced blood lead levels by 19%, compared to D-penicillamine, a chelating drug, and blood sugar regulation. Some evidence that garlic improves insulin sensitivity and lowers fasting. Blood sugar in type 2 diabetes, especially aged garlic extract 1-12g day. Raw crushed, chopped. Let sit 10-15 minutes before eating, cooking to maximize allicin formation. Aged garlic extract, age, standardized, odorless, high in stable S-allyl cysteine. Best studied supplement form. Cooked garlic, still beneficial, antioxidants remain, but allicin is reduced. Best ways to results are mixed.